in the garden with my babies. It is Saturday, October 30th. It's a rainy day, but we're out here adding mulch to our plants. Got all my girls out here, my hubby. He's off this weekend, so we love it when Daddy's off because it allows us to do lots of family projects. Gonna be building some new stuff, and I'm excited. It's gonna be all for our garden. Gonna try to transplant our peas over here. Ah, there you go, my strong guys. And we're gonna add our peas to the back of this trellis that the kids put together. Oh, look at these plants. These are the collard greens. They're growing. Huh?
Look at the tree.
I know, it's windy. It feels wonderful. They are moving, aren't they? These guys are getting super big. Look at this beautiful green curly kale. It's so exciting. Hope everybody's having a beautiful Saturday with their family. Because I definitely am.
Bye.